Hi, today we're going to unbox the Apple AirPods 4, in this case without noise cancellation. I bought these headphones because I read in several reviews that the audio was fantastic, and since my old Xiaomi headphones had previously broken, they needed replacing. When you open the box, all you get is the manual and the headphones. No cables from Apple. And this is honestly something to complain about, since even the cheapest headphones have them, and these $120 ones don't. Connecting them is very quick and easy, just bring the AirPods close to you, and the device automatically recognizes them. Now for the sound test.
Purchase your tracks today. Face it tonight, oh, no way though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through. One more round and I'm going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
This is just a simple test to get an idea of how you sound. I'll soon upload a review of these headphones and accessories to complement it, so subscribe so you don't miss these videos. Thanks for watching.